Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I have been looking for a Bluetooth speaker that I can use outside my garden, and I found Pyle wall mount Bluetooth home speaker system with active and passive pair, wireless, water resistance, stereo sound with aux in. This speaker is with 240 watts power, 20 watts plus 20 watts RMS, so you can play your favorite song as loud as you can and with style. It has 13.3 centimeter subwoofer and high quality 2.5 centimeter polymer dome tweeters for surround stereo sound and impressive bass response. This robot speaker set is Bluetooth compatible for wireless audio streaming and work with devices such as iPhone, Android, iPad, tablet, PC, ideal for personal indoor use or for outdoor DJ party. Water resistant construction. The cabinet housing of this speaker pair is made of multiple layers of polymer with UV protection and maritime grade to withstand external heat/cold. Great for pool, on the terrace or on the boat. Also feature 3.5mm aux input and gold plated binding post speakers terminal, allowing you to connect additional external device to the system. 5.2-inch indoor and outdoor speaker system. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. There we go. This is the handle. Let's see what it looks like. Metal grey in front of it. Passive speaker. This one is R. So this handle needs to go on top here. This is the accessories. This is another handle. This is another part. Active speaker. This one is L, left, and this one is right. So this is what we have here, and also you have aux port, 3.5mm aux in goes in here. And you have 4 of those screws. To set this up, you put this here and tighten it up. Okay, and do the same thing to the bottom part. This can be mounted outside, which is really good thing. You can see this is how it looks. So you can mount it outside your compound, in the garden area. I like this, and it's not heavy, easy to carry. Then take the other screw, tighten it up. Okay, do the same thing, bottom part. There we we go. Let's see what it looks like. Great stuff and quality product. And take the power cable. So take the power cable. You switch this on and off on this button, the black one. You need to unscrew this blue plastic cover, then plug this onto the blue one. Okay, so blue color goes to the blue color. So unscrew the blue cap that cover the plug for you to connect this to the power. Okay, and once it's in, you also need to tighten it back in. Yeah, make sure you tighten it. Yeah, and it's in. The plug is not coming off, so it's well secured. Then connect this to the power. This is another wire. This is information pack. Also, you have screws. So you have another 4 screws with washer. You need to put the washer and then use the screw to tighten this. You can mount this outside the compound, you can mount it in your garden or wherever. This speaker is ideal for indoor and outdoor. You need to take the wires. This wire provided, you need to take the one with red color to go to the red, and the one with white go to the black one. Then you do the same thing on the other end. You take the one with a bit of red wire on it to the red part and take the white one to the black. Once you unscrew it, put it underneath the iron. So unscrew this cap, then you take the wires. So the white one go to the black, goes in here. It touch to the iron part, then tighten it down. Then do the same thing, take the one with red part on it, then go to the red color, then close the cap to tighten it up. Okay, and you can see well secured. So you do the same thing on this one as well. Thank you and stay blessed.